Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to make this elegant bracelet using two colors of bugle beads, seed beads, and rondelle beads. The design has a beautiful striped pattern with sparkling accents make it perfect for everyday wear. I will walk you through each step so you can easily follow along and create your own bracelet. You need the following sizes of the beads: 7mm white bugle beads, 7mm green bugle beads, 10 zeros or 11 zeros seed beads, 6mm rondelle beads. You need a beading needle size 12. I use wildfire beading thread point 0.06 thick. The thread length is 100 inches. Thread the needle. Also, you need two clasps of your choice. Let's get started. Pick up one white BB and go down on the thread with it leaving 1 or 2 inches end of the thread. Add the clasp and go down on the thread with it beside the white BB. Pick up on the needle one white BB and go down on the thread with it beside the clasp. Again, pick up one white BB and go down on the thread with it. Make 3 knots. Go with needle through the horizontal white BB. Go through the next white BB. Go through the clasp. Go through the next white BB. Go again through the horizontal BB. Pick up one green BB on the needle and go down on the thread with it. Go with needle through the horizontal BB. Go through the green BB. Pick up one white BB and go with needle through the green BB. Go through the white BB. Cut off the end thread. Pick up one seed bead. Pick up one rondelle bead. Pick up one seed bead. Go with needle through the white BB. Go through the seed bead. Go through the rondelle bead. Pick up one seed bead. Pick up one white BB. Pick up one seed bead. Go through the rondelle bead. Go through the seed bead. Go through the white BB. Go through the next seed bead. Pick up one seed bead. Go through the next seed bead. Go through the white BB. Go through the seed bead. Pick up one seed bead. Go through the next seed bead. Go through the white BB. Pick up one green BB. Go through the white BB. Go through the green BB. Pick up one white BB. Go through the green BB. Go with needle through the white BB. Continue adding beads as I shown until you reach the desired length of the bracelet. My bracelet length is 6.5 inches. To make the bracelet, I use 15 rondelle beads. Add the last beads in the clasp. Pick up one white bead. Add the clasp. Pick up one white bead. Go through the white bead. Go with needle through the white bead. Go through the clasp. Go through the next white bead. Get to knots. Cut off the thread. Thanks for watching and have fun beading.